Yes, welcome to computer networking, lesson 1. My name is Mr. Alex from Nakuru. This is lesson 1, where I'm going to take you through introduction to computer networks. And I'm going to begin with the definition of what computer networks are. And as far as technology is concerned, computer networks refers to the interlink, the connectivity of computer systems for the purpose of sharing resources from one system to another. Data communication is very key when we talk about networks, because computers pass data or files from one system to another in the same network. When we communicate, we are sharing information. This sharing can be local or remote between persons. Local communication usually occurs face to face, while remote communication takes place over distance. And there are components. We have components involved during the transmission of data from one place to another. We have what we call components of data communication system, and one is message, the other one is sender, receiver, transmission media, protocol. Those are 5 components of data communication. The message is information to be communicated or passed or sent from one device to another in a network. Popular forms of information include text, numbers, pictures, audio, and video. Sender. The sender is the device that sends the data message. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset, video camera, etc. We have the receiver. The receiver is the device that receives the message. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset, television, and so on. Transmission media, which is now the path or the medium, the physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver. Some examples of transmission media can be the twisted pair wire, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and radio waves. Of course, we have the wireless transmission medium, the Wi-Fi technology, and others. So we have the protocol, which is another component in the data communication space. A protocol is a set of rules that govern data communications. You see, for the transmission to take place, there are some settings between the systems. That is what we are referring to protocols, set rules that govern data communication. It represents an agreement between the communication devices. Without a protocol, 2 devices may be connected but not communicating, just as a person speaking French cannot be understood by a person who speaks only Japanese. So that is very important for us to understand in terms of data communication. Those components are very important. Then during data communication, we have what we call data flow. Communication between 2 devices can be simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. And of course, in the content that I've shared below, I've illustrated some diagrams to explain, the simplex, which is one direction, the half duplex, two directions, but not at the same time. One direction, then it waits the transmission to be complete so that the other direction takes course. But now the full duplex, direction of data all the time in all the directions at the same time. I've explained that in the content that I've shared below. Class, I would like to talk about networks. A network is a set of devices connected by communication links. I mean, two devices, telecommunication devices, computers, phones, systems that are linked together using a cable or any communication medium.